As you can see, these filters are fucking disgusting. Look at them. They are bad. What's going on, guys? We are at a hardware store. We're gonna be doing 20 maintenances, changing filters, checking operations. But first, we need to find where we put our filters at, which I believe it's in this corner back here. Hopefully. Alright, so here's our filter grabber. And our filter should be down here. Yep. Alright. Let's get started. Oh. I almost forgot. Gloves. We always need gloves. Safety protection. Got one. All right. Well, we got one up here, boys. Now we got about 8 more to go. Basically, we're gonna check belt, filters, make sure everything is good to go. Check the bearing, make sure that's good, make sure motor's not locked up, everything looks good. Wiring. This is just the heating one, so we don't have to go in depth with this stuff. As you can see, these filters are fucking disgusting. Look at them. They are bad. It doesn't help that this is a lumber one. So basically we'll check this and then we'll put it in test mode. Make sure it's running good. Boom. Boom. Now we're going to turn it back on. Boom. We'll let it set up. We'll put these filters in here. Boom. Now we're gonna go to the control panel. Look at that. Inducer's fired right up. Don't even have to put it in setup mode. As you can see, they had already fucked with the VRF before. We're gonna make sure it starts up. Boom. Starts right up. This is number one. We'll go into our settings on our app on our phone. We'll put that right at that VRF up, see if they don't have it on, change filters, basically go through and make sure everything's running good. And now we're gonna do the same thing for 22 units.